Pretty exciting stuff here today. Gonna be working on my 2011 TT. Got my new grill, thank you to my awesome fiance. Early Christmas present. So we're gonna put that on there. I am super excited because this thing is just ugly. So we're gonna do it right now. Now, despite what people think, taking off a bumper cover really isn't that bad. You gotta loosen up the inner fender wells, and then behind there will be a couple of bolts that hold the side of the bumper on, and then there's usually the belly pan bolts that help hold it on, and a couple on top. It's really not all that bad. And then unplug any connectors for your lights and sensors that might be back there. So since this isn't an RS and it's just a regular old TT Quattro base model, it did not come with any honeycomb or any cool stuff like that. It's got the fin grills and a 2-liter turbo, which I do have modified with a tune, so it's a little peppier, but it's no 2.5 RS. We are going to put on an RS style grill, and no, I am not up badging. I do not believe in that. Once you get the bumper off, it's really not too much left. There's a handful of screws that hold it on the back side, and most of it's really just clips. But you do want to be careful with the clips because they will snap and break. Now that we got that off, we can get it right out of here. Yuck. And now look at this glossy black awesomeness right here. Honeycomb, RS style. This is gonna look sick. With the new grill, the car is gonna look as it should. And I'll be able to start doing some other visual modifications to really make the car my own. Fun fact about the Audi TT, most people think TT stands for twin turbo. Unfortunately, it does not. When the car came out, it was designated Type 8N, but they needed a name, so TT, Tourist Trophy, was chosen. Now, Tourist Trophy is the name of an iconic motorbike race held on the Isle of Man, which may seem weird until you think back to Audi's history and some of the original companies that helped form modern-day Audi, one of which is NSU, a company that built cars and bikes and had been racing at the Isle of Man since 1911. So at this point, I am excited. Can't wait to get this on the ground. I've been wanting this on the car since I got the thing. Look at that. Look at it! Always torque your wheels, boys and girls. So all in all, if you were going to try and do this yourself at home, in the driveway, or in the garage, I'd say you're looking at a couple hours. It's not really a bad job to do. Bumper cover is easy, the grill is easy, and man, what a difference does it make. I am going to be riding around in style this holiday season. If you liked the video, like, comment, and share. And until next time, thanks for watching.